Hey folks, I just want to alert you to an upcoming educational opportunity the first weekend of June in Sedona, Arizona. Now, we could have called this Everything You Want to Know About Love and Sex, but we're afraid to ask your astrologer, but we've called it Love, Relationships, and Sexuality, a Vedic Astrology Immersion. So this is a pretty intensive program covering 4 days, Thursday, June 1st until Sunday, June the 4th. Now, relationships is such a primal topic that who wouldn't be interested? I always tell my students, you must master at least the topics of relationships and career if you want to satisfy 90% of all clients that come to see you, because usually that's what it's all about, especially relationships. So in this program, I'm going to use the horoscope to enable you to answer questions like, who is a romantic versus who's a cynic? Who's eager for marriage versus commitment phobic? Who will defy their family's wishes to marry somebody? Who will even pursue a foreigner or a same-sex relationship? What is the prognosis for relationship? Is it going to be peace or is it going to be war? Will there be, a single major relationship in the life, or will there be a series of relationships? Last but not least, what is the level of passion in the horoscope owner? Are they driven by sexual needs, and if so, of what nature? So these are pretty juicy topics, and I'm going to guide you through this with a number of key principles that will make all this abundantly clear. So I didn't pull all this stuff, out of my hat just last weekend in preparation for this. I actually wrote a book over the last 2 years, published on Amazon last December, Kama Yoga, Love, Marriage, and Sexuality. This, is the culmination of 2 years of writing, research, detailed horoscopic analysis through over 100 charts used as examples in this book. There are 48 case studies. There used to be even more. I took 12 out because they were living subjects. But I might very well address them, or some of them at least, in the course of this weekend. People like Warren Beatty, Tom Jones, Lindsay Lohan, Yoko Ono, Tiger Woods. I haven't made up my mind who, but believe me, there will be a lot of case studies, along with, the famous and the infamous, like Wilt Chamberlain, like the Marquis de Sade, Sarah Bernhardt, Colette, Charlie Chaplin, any number of people from the past who have had very rich relationship and sex lives. More to be revealed in due course. Now, this weekend, the core of it, Friday and Saturday, June 2nd and 3rd, will be delivered by myself. But I'll be capably assisted throughout the weekend in ancillary topics. For instance, on Thursday, June 1st, ACVA President Charlotte Benson will deliver a crash course in Jyotish for those who are not already familiar with the principles. Now, for Western astrologers, you've got a leg up already. You understand the meanings of the planets. You know the meanings of the houses. It doesn't take much to bring you up to speed so that you could attend this weekend, and with the introductory Jyotish component, you'd be right up to speed and be able to follow along with this, and then, believe it or not, apply it almost immediately in consultations with your own clients. On Sunday, June 4th, psychologist Dennis Arness will discuss, the ethical considerations that become involved when an astrologer discusses such sensitive material with their clients. So, that's a necessary correlate to this whole program. There is obviously live attendance available and encouraged. There is also a virtual attendance possible for those who simply can't make it. So, for if you're on the other side of the globe, we understand, virtual might have to do. But if you can, we certainly encourage you to attend live in person. Sedona, as many of you might know already, is just a spectacular and beautiful place. First weekend of June, the weather is going to be terrific. We've got any number of other supplementary activities that are involved, dinner, perhaps with a little comedy hour, half hour, involving both Charlotte, Dennis, and myself, who all like to crack wise about astrology and other topics. There will be opportunity for readings. There are other therapeutic interventions involved, book signings, all the rest of that. We really hope that you can make it live to Sedona for this great experience. So it's going to be held at the Shine Sanctuary, a new retreat center in Sedona. Really a beautiful place, and the accommodations, the setup is really quite wonderful. So that's about it. I will leave a link in the bottom of this video for you to register. Early bird rates are still available until April 15th. You need to act this week if you want to take advantage of that. Follow through, and I hope to see you in Sedona. Okay, take care.